What we really want to do today, and quite a lot of this time, is going to get some feedback from the floor, because what we're looking at, and it's been raised internally at ISITC, was around whether we should look to set up a cloud a formative cloud standards body. So anyone who's got any thoughts on that, please raise the points and come and have a discussion with us afterwards, or raise your points during the session.
Which services are relevant right now? Which ones are we already using? Which ones are ubiquitous and tame? Which ones have we tamed? We've domesticated them. And which ones are currently just a little bit too out there for the regulators to feel fully comfortable? Which of our industry initiatives are currently exploring the technology space? Which ones are currently at that tipping point where the weight of alternative solutions is currently feeling a bit uncomfortable? And how do we respond to that? How do your organizations responding, and how do we as an industry respond to that over differentiation? And where particularly would standardization help? If there was a standards body that popped up to say, we are going to have recommendations that we're going to make to the cloud providers and to the regulators to say, this is what we expect of a data warehouse. This is what we expect of value at risk. This is what we expect from real-time analytics. This is what we expect from your machine learning algorithms, inspectability. Where would those standards help, and how do we start to get that conversation going?
My question is really on the last point, Alistair, around standards. Yeah. You gave a short list of how you saw standards. Now they seem to me to be almost benchmarks rather than standards. Benchmarks of performance, or benchmarks of how each cloud service would actually operate. Is that, have I understood that correctly, that your standards are really around benchmarks?